Hello traders, how are you? I hope you guys are good. Guys, thank you for liking and subscribing my channel, guys. I see number of subscribers is increasing every day, and the best thing is that you guys are learning and earning money with me in live trading session. Guys, keep it up. So, guys, it does not require a big amount, to come and do a stock trading. All you need is just a small amount, 30,000 or 40,000, invest daily and earn 2 to 3,000 every day with live trading with me. So guys, don't be afraid. If you don't have a job, it's okay, no issue. You still have a job in the market. Okay, the market has a big potential. Try to understand this. Even if you are jobless, don't worry, life is not over. The only goal is to make money in your life. Okay, whether you have any professional degree, your ultimate goal is how much money do you have in your pocket. Okay, whether it's a business or whether it's a service or whether it's anything. So guys, let it be that keep working hard, keep learning and keep earning. So guys, कल डे एनालिसिस के लिए ऊपर बात करते हैं. मार्केट वेंट साइडवाइज. आई डिडंट took any trade because मुझे कुछ मार्केट में मूवमेंट नहीं दिखा. So we can expect some good movements tomorrow in the market. So either it goes up or it goes down. Well, we'll update tomorrow. Okay, so guys, keep learning and keep sharing this channel, and let's see you in the live trading session, guys. All of the descriptions are given in the link below. So guys, please check it out, and thank you guys. Keep learning, keep sharing.